Good morning, artists. Mr. Northcott here. I, like you, am probably not at my home and not at my school, and I don't have access to the art supplies that I need to be the artist that I can be. But I'm gonna go now on a little adventure and see what sort of tools I can gather in order to express myself the way I've always wanted to. This is Mr. Northcott's art supply search in Thailand. So this is my favorite little store here on the side of the road. It has all sorts of yummy little treats. I'm here with my assistant, Catalina, today. Hello. And we're here on the hunt for some art supplies. These stores have everything that you need to survive. It has some canned goods, noodles, there's chips. Everyone likes chips for snackies. Toilet paper. Candy, but we're not on the hunt for candy today. We're on the hunt for some art supplies. So let's check it out here. All right, we have hit the pay dirt for art supplies. Check this out. All right, so Catalina, what do we got here?
So we have some pens, and we have whiteboard markers, pencils with sharpener, and here we have some markers.
Got a protractor and a compass.
And another eraser.
What do we got here?
Here's some more. Here's the
Paints?
paint brushes.
What? You got paints in there? How much is that? What? How much does that say?
40.
40. Oil pastels.
Oil pastels.
Okay, so let's take one of these. Hold this. Let's take one of these. Hold this. 4 of those is $1 US. So let's grab 4 of these brushes. Take some of those. We got all sorts of notebooks and paper. Over here we got tape, including colored duct tape. Now, I know you don't know what you can do with colored duct tape, but I'm gonna post a video in the link below that will show you what you can do creatively with colored duct tape. We got little pallets here to mix paint. These are only $10, like 50 cents. We got rulers so you can do some perspective drawing, or what's it, fat tip and thin tip, permanent markers. Okay, here, let's get these two. So let's get some different colors. Let's get a green, a blue, we got a blue, let's get a pink. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these fancy pens. They're 15 baht. That's like 70 cents. Ooh, these are a whole dollar. You wanna get one of these? All right, we're spending the big bucks today. You can also get things like scissors, glue. You know what? We have scissors, but you know, let's get a new pair because what did you just say?
Stapler.
Well, what can we make though?
Books.
We can make books. Themselves.
We need to use these for our paints.
Okay, grab one of those. Come on, let's bring this all to the checkout. Look at all the stash we got. Look at these art supplies. Should we get some paper though to make some? I'm gonna buy some fancy paper. I don't know how much this costs, but we're gonna find out. We can also look in the art department. They also have rice, which is pretty handy. Just kind of plop it here. And the paper and all of these art supplies here, please. I don't need a bag. I have my own bag to use. All right. So check it out. This is my haul from our little Thai department store. I got some permanent magic markers here with fat tips and thin tips. I got a dry erase marker. I got a ruler here that you can use for some perspective drawing, which I'll show you all about. Got a pack of oil pastels, pack of colored pencils, pack of regular pencils, colored tape, sharpener, eraser, a whole bunch of pens. And if you think pens aren't a good art tool, I'm going to show you a video on how you can use that to make some excellent art. Here I got some paint. I got 4 brushes here to make sure that my kids make our paint effectively. The stapler was my daughter's idea because she wants to make little books. I couldn't say no to that. We got some scissors. We got some pallets here to mix up the paint. These I got at a steal for 10 baht a piece. I bought a little bowl as well that I can put all my art supplies in, which is pretty handy so they don't get lost. And I bought some really fancy paper. I had no idea I'd be able to find some watercolor paper here, but I got this for approximately 20 cents a sheet, which is pretty incredible. Here we are in the Northcott Art Studio. I got my artists, got all my supplies, and we're good to go. Another clever hack that I did was I used an old ice cube tray that was broken, and that's an area where we can wash out our brushes. Ready, set, art. A beautiful rainbow. Want to talk about the colors that you used?
I used a red and a little bit white orange. I mixed some green like that.
It's your palette. Yeah, you did some good mixing.
Then there was a blue there, but I kind of mixed it with
Beautiful. I missed Beijing quite a bit. In our backyard in Beijing, I guess you could say our side yard, we have a lot of bamboo that grows wild. And I just love the way it grows. And I made this beautiful, and I heard it's really sunny in Beijing right now, so I wanted to reflect some nice soft blue skies. I was trying to get multiple tones of greens in there to demonstrate a bit of depth and value. Done with paints that were around $1. And if you're living in America or Canada, they have dollar stores there as well that also carry very inexpensive art supplies. We have enough to make 3 paintings, plus probably 1 more as well. All right, good luck.